Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or run a program on startup of your system on your Windows 10 tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the Start menu, type in Settings, best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select the Apps tile. And then you want to go on the left side where it says Startup. And now on the right panel, you can turn on or off startup apps by toggling them right to enable or to the left to disable by just clicking inside that oval one time. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.